Hello and welcome to this new video on how to use MetaMask browser on PC. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. You just have to click on that and you need to type MetaMask and press enter in the keyboard. After that, the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result that says MetaMask and MetaMask interface will be shown to you. So currently there is view MetaMask portfolio button that is on blue color because I have already installed the MetaMask application. But if you haven't installed MetaMask, then instead of view MetaMask portfolio, there will be a download button. So you just have to click on the download button and you will be redirected to the browser store. And from there, you just have to click on the download button and you will be able to download MetaMask, and browser will ask you if you want to install the extension of MetaMask, and you just have to accept that invitation. And when you have accepted that invitation, extension will be added, and when the extension is added, you just have to look on the top right hand side of the screen. There will be a download button, and on the left hand side of the download button there will be extension button. You just have to click on that and you will be able to see MetaMask. So you just have to click on the MetaMask and MetaMask interface will be opened right in front of you. And in order to make the MetaMask fully screen, you just have to look on the top right hand side of the MetaMask interface. There will be three dot icon. So you just have to click on that and a pop-up box will appear and there will be expand view. So you just have to click on expand view option and you will be able to access the MetaMask on your browser. So this is how to use MetaMask browser on PC. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.